Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you want to write a short film or a comedy skit but don't know where to start? So in this video, I'll show you how to write one easily using ChatGPT for a model. Remember, this is the model that I'm using, is the one that you pay for. So that writing can be kind of very scary when you're starting out. So blank pages, no ideas what to write. That is where ChatGPT helps. So it's like having a writing buddy who is fast, fun, and full of ideas. So start simple. Think of a basic setup, something like um, you can think about a certain setup that you can start with. So let's say, for example, a prompt of ChatGPT, give it this, like two friends arguing over pizza, a robot going on a date, starting on trying, a student trying to fake being sick. So something like that. So let's use this. Let's say, for example, let's use um, a prompt like this. So let me delete this from the canvas. Then two roommates think their house is haunted, but it's actually just the cat. So something like that. So you go to ChatGPT, you open it up, then you tell it to write the story for you, like basing on this kind of topic that we have selected on the niche. So let me give you the prompt that you're going to use. So write a short comedy skit about two roommates who thinks they are a ghost, but it turns out it's just their cat. So click enter. Then in seconds, you have got a dialogue or scene and full of setup. So here, look at this. The character is Sam, and you have Alex as the laid back and superstitious. Then you have meeting. And so look at this, just giving you what to say. So, Sam, did you hear that dump? It came from the kitchen. Then Alex answered, says, it's definitely a ghost. I told you this place had bad vibes. I said the closest last night. Sam, then there's also Alex. So it's giving you a whole plot on how you're going to play your comedy to make sure that you get the best output. So you can also even now you can even tweak it, add your name, change the setting, ask ChatGPT, make it kind of shorter, make it three characters. So you can even ask ChatGPT to tweak it. Let's do that. Just go ahead and put in these prompts. Can you tweak it? Then it will do that for you. You can even request it to add a name. That is the tweaks that it has given you. So there's a lot you can do with ChatGPT. So want a script that fits your style. So we can also use this prompt to make sure that we have the best output. So let's write here the prompt. Here's the prompt. I want to write a 2-minute skit that's funny and easy to film at home. So make the characters relatable. Then boom, instantly it gets creative. So let's go ahead. Then it will do that for you. So just check it out. It will come out as the best. So look at that. You have the script already created. The title is the Zoom job interview. You have the Jordan job seeker, nervous but trying to act professional, have Casey, roommate, chaotic energy, doesn't realize Jordan is mid interview and all that. So you've created a whole scene. Then you can now find the characters to play these scenes. So writing doesn't have to be hard. Just start with ChatGPT and let the ideas flow. So turn your ideas into scripts with AI. Like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI tips. And hey, drop your skit idea below in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.